Review of top portable air conditioners. Air conditioning is probably one of the greatest inventions of the 20th century. It is one of those devices that have become a basic necessity for any home or abode. Any modern building built today is likely to have central air conditioning installed as a default. But there are plenty of old buildings out there without AC. Some of them are not compatible with central air. For some buildings, it may not make feasible sense to install central AC. But it is still hot, and your bedroom is still sticky. That is precisely why window ACs and portable ACs were invented. You deserve to live comfortably cool in your home, and you don't need to drop thousands of dollars to make that happen. Window and portable air conditioners are much cheaper to buy and much easier to install. There should not be a need to pay a professional. Simply prop them up on the window, plug them in, and cool your house. There are literally hundreds of different types of AC units made by various manufacturers. We have collected reviews and prices of many units, and below we present to you the top-rated window and portable air conditioners. You will find that not all AC units are made the same. You'll also find that not all reviews will agree. But if you understand your specific needs, you will find the perfect unit to cool your home. 1. Frigidaire FFRA 1022R1 10,000 BTU 115-volt window-mounted compact air conditioner with remote control. Rating, 4.0 stars. Price range $270 to $300. Here are some pros and cons. 2. LG LW8016ER 8000 BTU 115 volts window-mounted air conditioner with remote control. Rating, 3.7 stars. Price range $239.99 to $300. Here are some pros and cons. 3. hOmeLabs Cold Window Air Conditioner 5000 BTU. Rating, 4.1 stars. Price range $144.99. Here are some pros and cons. 4. Honeywell MN10CESWW Portable Air Conditioner with Dehumidifier. Rating, 3.6 stars. Price range $287.93 to $349.99. Here are some pros and cons. 5. Whynter 14,000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. Rating, 3.8 stars. Price range $452.99 to $518. Here are some pros and cons. 6. Frigidaire FFRA 0511R1 5000 BTU 115 volts window-mounted mini compact air conditioner. Rating, 4.0 stars. Price range $129.99. Here are some pros and cons. 7. Pioneer WYSO1217 Air Conditioner Inverter Plus Ductless Wall Mount Mini Split System Air Conditioner and Heat Pump Full Set. Rating, 4.4 stars. Price range $760.73. Here are some pros and cons. 8. Hisense 300 Square featuring 115-volt portable air conditioner. Rating, 4 stars. Price range $249 to $329. Here are some pros and cons. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. To learn more about these products, go to our website boolpool.com.